I started out by meeting Adam years and years ago, very briefly, shook his hand, said hello, listened to him talk. He doesn't remember it, but that's because he meets hundreds of people a day. But he had an impact on me at that point. He spoke at an event, and it was a key point. I didn't know that I needed him at that point, but I did know that he was an interesting person to be around. So I followed him on social media, and then he posted, like he always does, "Do you need help? Are you in this situation and do you need help?" And I took a chance and I was like, yeah, I do. So we had a chat and I said, look, I've put on the same amount of weight that my toddler has put on, my 2-year-old. And I need to do something about my health. I need to do something about my weight. I need to change my life. And he said, yeah, sure, why not? So now I have a personal trainer, August last year, and yeah, I can't do this on my own. Let's get someone else in to help me, see what we can do. So Adam and I have never actually physically been in the same place as each other in the last 8 months, but we've spent a lot of time together. He's always willing to offer support and always willing to spend time to make sure that everything is okay. I found reaching out really hard, but I knew that I needed to do it for my family, for my child, for my husband. And it's never been easy. I didn't think that weight loss was something that I could do. I tried in the past, but not really very well. And then I tried calories in, calories out, cutting my calories, spending time moving, spending time exercising. 10 minutes a day, really not that much time. The walking takes more time, but not nearly as much effort. I used to think walking was good for just getting somewhere and then coming back and didn't see the process of it. But now I find it restorative. I find it useful for my mental health. Getting out of the house every single day has been really good, to have that practice in place, to have it permanent in my mind that getting out is something that I need to do. Getting out for my body, getting out for my mind, getting out for my sanity, getting away from, I say getting away from my husband, you know what I mean, married couples with small children. The workouts are great. I used to curse Adam's name. Oh, I hate you so much. Why are you making me do that? I hate that. Why are you making me do that? But I'd do it. I'd do it because I know that he would ask. I know that he would keep me accountable. I know that he would say, how did you find that? And he still continues to do that today. Like, okay, I can't do this. Right, well, do this then. How do I make that work? Well, do that. He's so knowledgeable about how to deal with the body and all of its little nuances and all of the things that where we say, you know what, that hurts today. What else do I do? So I'm skinny. Skinnier than I was. I've lost the toddler weight. I can carry the toddler without feeling out of breath. I'm losing weight while he's putting on weight. Adam keeps reminding me in those weekly meetings, which are so helpful. Those weekly meetings, I used to say all of the things and he would just do the coaching and say, well, this is what you can do to make it better. This is what you see in yourself. This is how you need to think about that and change that and draw a line under it. Fuck it and move on. Those are your words, not mine. Draw a line under it. Fuck it. Move on. And I do that on a daily basis quite often. Draw a line under it. Make better choices tomorrow. I don't know how to increase my veggies. I don't know how to lower my calories. I don't know how to I don't know how to. And all I need to say to them is listen to Adam. Listen to him, because he knows what he's talking about. I think if you're a busy mum, if you're a busy dad, if you're a busy grandparent, you need to take this bloke up on what he's doing, on the challenge, whatever challenge he might set for you. Take him up on it, see how far you get. I know it's changed my life. I know it's changed the life of my parents who are grandparents. I know that it's slowly chipping away at my husband's life. And my little boy loves to do wall sits with his mummy, who is 2 stone lighter, whilst he is a stone heavier. Adam, you are fabulous, and I love what you do, and I love that you are constant in my life. So, peace, love and protein. Bye.